Somebody has posted me a question. Sir, my girlfriend has lodged an FIR against me, and now she is once again threatening me to lodge another FIR with respect to the same offense. So this is very pivotal and essential question with respect to the FIRs, multiple FIRs for the same offense. So first of all, you need not to worry and just follow the steps. So first of all, let me give a clear-cut judgment given by the Supreme Court in the matter of TT Anthony versus State of Kerala, 2001, 6 SCC 181. So, in the matter of TT Anthony versus State of Kerala, the Supreme Court categorically held that a person cannot be implicated or convicted twice for the same offense. Or we can say there cannot be two FIRs for the same offense. So, if she wants to lodge an FIR, another FIR with respect to the same offense, then it is impermissible in the law. And the next step, what you can do is you can write an application to the senior police officers, and you can attach the judgment of TT Anthony. You can DM me, I can share the judgment with you. Write an application to the senior police officers, attach the judgment of TT Anthony versus State of Kerala. And we have seen that in many such cases, the chances of getting FIR get reduced. The most important part is Article 20 subclause 2 of the Indian Constitution clearly says that there cannot be a double jeopardy. So it means that a person cannot be convicted or held twice for the same offense. So it is illegal and it is not tenable in law. And most importantly, whenever you attach the application along with the judgments, then it is will be helpful for you to proceed in your case, and it is going to be help you forever.